Benefits of turmeric. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, the main bioactive compound in turmeric, has strong anti-inflammatory properties. It may help reduce chronic inflammation, which is associated with many chronic diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative conditions. 2. Antioxidant activity. Turmeric and curcumin are powerful antioxidants, which means they can neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. This antioxidant activity may help protect cells and DNA from damage. 3. Pain relief. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory effects can contribute to pain relief, particularly in conditions like arthritis. Some people use turmeric supplements to help manage joint pain and inflammation. 4. Heart health. Curcumin may help improve heart health by improving the function of the endothelium, the lining of blood vessels, reducing inflammation, and lowering levels of cholesterol and triglycerides. Ingredients: turmeric, olive oil. Drink 1 glass before bed,